This is the application instruction for the SpotPro iron-on letters and decal transfers. When you receive your letters, just trim around, cutting out the letters that you need. Trim off any excess paper around the letters and get them ready to go. We're using a hot iron on the cotton setting. Our t-shirt's ready to go. So we're going to start laying out our letters. We're going to place the letters on the shirt with the ink side facing down. We'll get them in the general area first, and then we'll position them accurately. Using a ruler, we're going to line them up, making sure they're evenly spaced, or not, depending on how you want them to read. So now we have our letters lined up how we like them. Again, we're using a hot iron set to the cotton setting. And first we're going to tack our letters onto the shirt, being careful not to move them around. Nice and even pressure. And there, we've already tacked them down. Now we're going to start the proper application. And now we're going to do 10 to 15 seconds on each of the letters, moving over your slogan. I'm using a medium to firm pressure, making sure to have even distribution of my heat. We've let these letters cool for about 30 seconds to a minute, and now we're going to remove the paper backing. Gently pull the paper off each letter. They're perfect every time. This is a great product from Spot 98. And there you have it. Now we're going to be applying our SpotPro decal transfer. Again, we place the transfer into position with the ink side down. We'll be using the same application instructions as for the letters. My iron is set to cotton. We're going to tack it down. And now with medium to firm pressure, we'll be applying the heat for 10 to 15 seconds, making sure that we get the entire decal pressed onto the shirt. There you have your decal transfer. I'm going to add one more decal transfer to my design, again with my ink side facing down. Now I'm very careful not to let my iron touch what I've already been working on. I'm going to press with a medium firm pressure for 10 to 15 seconds. We've been letting this decal cool, rubbing it gently with a cloth for about 30 seconds. And, oops, the letters aren't quite sticking to the t-shirt. I need to reheat them again. So I'm going to add a little bit more heat and pressure just to finish that off. That should do it. Rubbing it gently. It's been about 30 seconds and we're ready to lift the paper. And look at that. Again, perfect. Every time.